Hello people, this feels so nice to be recording a place in to record a video in a public place. I have to say that this I'm able to do this only because of the encouragement of the librarian, Mr. Srinivas Garu, who's here. He's himself reading, and I'm at this place called the New Club, and I've been coming here from the time I was like 12 years old, and now I'm not revealing how old, but so anyway, this is a beautiful place. If you take a look at it, amazing library. I mean, just I think it's one of the best libraries you can find uh, in Secunderabad, so. And see, look at the whole collection of books I have. No, books, I come here mostly to read magazines, but this is an amazing place. And New Club is a place that you can find it's in West Maritpalli. So yeah, so like I always make a video of any interesting place I go to. So I think amazing place. So all you book lovers out there, if but I think this is only open to people who are from New Club, but Secunderabad. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.